Hey y'all, Chy'Ann galore, where we design in faith and more, and thank you for tuning to another video. I am so excited because we're going to be using the pattern cheetah/leopard today, and I got the inspiration from my favorite movie, Cheetah Girls, which is on Disney, okay? And if y'all don't remember Cheetah Girls, here's a little tune to jog your memory, okay? Here we go. Me as cheetahs, wins for life. If you don't remember, it's okay. You know, not everybody knows that classic movie, okay? This pattern is totally optional, so if you don't want to use leopard/cheetah print, that's fine. First things first, open up your browser and go to freepik.com. I get my free assets from. You may know a better website, let me know in the comments. But for now, we're gonna use Freepik. So type in cheetah print in the search bar. This pops up. I'm liking this one a lot. It's the first one. Okay, so download that pattern, okay? Now we're gonna go to Photoshop. Here we are on Photoshop, create a new file. We're gonna use the 1920 by 1080 pixel artboard/canvas, however you wanna say it. We're gonna rename this to Cheetah Print Text, and then we're gonna use black as the background content, then press create. Go to your text tool, change the color to white, type out cheetah. Now scale the text, say done, and then make sure it's centered in the middle of the canvas. Now we're going to use a style on top of this text so we can have a little glossy effect to it. And I will link this in the description below. It's going to be one of my digital products that you can download for free. We're going to be using glass. Nice. Next, we're going to import the pattern. So go to File, Open up the leopard print, then go to Edit, Define Pattern, rename it, say OK. Go back to the original canvas, double click on cheetah. We're going to toggle on some styles. So press pattern overlay and color overlay. Toggle off color overlay. Go to pattern overlay, and then the pattern that we just defined, it should appear at the bottom. We're going to scale this down to 15 and then keep everything else the same. Toggle on color overlay now. Change the blend mode to color, and then now you can choose whatever color you would like. Okay, we're gonna do a blue. Say okay, and there you have it. You have your text. So basically double click, and now you can write whatever you like. So cute. And another thing, if you want to scale the size of the effects, hover over effects over here by the layers, right click, scale effects, and I'm going to scale it down to 60. And there you have it. And if you would like to save this text style for future references, go to styles. And if you don't have styles over here, go to window and then toggle on styles. Go at the very bottom, and then you can add the text style at the very bottom. You can rename it. I'll say leopard style. Say okay. And now you have it saved. So if you ever want to use it for other text, you'll be able to do it within 1 millisecond, literally. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Have a blessed one. Peace.